हरिः ओम्। इदानीं सुभाषितानि पठामः। प्रथमं सुभाषितमस्ति भारते संस्कृता भाषा। भारते संस्कृता भाषा कामधेनुः प्रकीर्तिता जननी विश्वभाषाणां विज्ञानस्योपकारिणी। I'll say the words separately. You please repeat after me, just the words word by word. Bharate Samskrita Bhasha Kamadhenu Prakirtita Janani Vishwabhashanam Vijnanasya Upakarini. भारते संस्कृता भाषा कामधेनुः प्रकीर्तिता जननी विश्वभाषाणां विज्ञानस्योपकारिणी। भारते संस्कृत भाषा कामधेनुः। कामधेनुः means what? कामधेनुः का देवलोकस्य धेनुः। एषा धेनुः वयं यत् इच्छामः तत् सर्वं ददाति। So what is कामधेनु? कामधेनु is the धेनुः. धेनुः means cow. That is holy cow and all wonderful, powerful cow which is in Devaloka. What is special? Kamadhenuhu. If you serve it, please the Kamadhenu, then it will give you anything you wish for. Kamadhenu. So that is the concept there. Kamadhenu is a cow which will give you anything you wish for. So Samskrita Bhasha is like Kamadhenu in India. Iti vadanti, it is said. Samskrita Bhasha loke sarva bhashanam mata asti. Janani Vishwa Bhashanam. It's the mother of all languages. Not only Indian languages. Even take English. Have you learned Vayam? Vayam Chitna? Vayam. Aham, Vayam. Vayam is the plural, right? What is the English word for Vayam in English? What is the word? We.
We.
We. That we comes from Vayam. And what is the plural? You. From Yuyam. Yuyam. Yuyam is the Bahuvachanam of Svam. Yuyam. What is the English word?
You.
You. Yuyam Sanskrit. You English. Vayam Sanskrit. We English. Mata Sanskrit. Mother English. Right? So, Janani Vishwabhashanam, the mother of all languages of the world. Shastrasyapi bhasha samskrutameva. Vijnanasya upakarini. It helps even Shastram, Vijnanam. How does it help Shastram? You know, all our Shastras, our medical science. What is the medical science of Indian? What do we call naturopathy? Ayurveda. Ayurveda is the Indian medical science. What is the base of Ayurveda text? Is all Sanskritam, all the texts. If you notice, if you use any Ayurveda medicine, they will quote some sloka of the Ayurveda text. Any Ayurvedic medicine if you take, it is a Sanskrit text. The medical textbook is in Sanskrit. And even Ganitam, all the Shastras, everything was in Sanskrit. So Vijnanasya Upakarini, and the most important Vijnanam is what? Knowing yourself, being how to be yourself. What is the dharma, Sanatana dharma? How to be a good human being, live peacefully, shanti. Is all that in our Upanishad. That is the biggest Shastra, Vedas Upanishad. So Vijnanasya Upakarini. पुनः एकवारं सुभाषितं वदामि. भारते संस्कृता भाषा कामधेनुः प्रकीर्तिता जननी विश्वभाषाणां विज्ञानस्योपकारिणी. Kamadhenu. Then why do we call Sanskritam as Kamadhenu? Because it really literally gives you everything. Right? So take Subhashita. Right now we are learning the Subhashitam. Anything you read in Sanskritam, whether it is Ramayana, Mahabharata, or literature, Kavya, Megha Sandesham, Kumara Sambhavam, Kiratarjuniyam, any Kavya, literature, or Puranas, or just Ramayana, Mahabharata, or Bhagavad Gita. Everything which is written in Sanskritam is a positive source. It teaches you things that you don't know, makes you happy, makes you a better person. And even humor. Right? It's not all serious. Humor. Irony, comedy. So Vinodam api. Gives you Vinodam, and it gives you knowledge, makes you a better person. What more you ask for? Right? Not only that, when you learn Sanskritam, have you noticed when you chant Vishnu Sahasranama, after chanting Vishnu Sahasranama or anything you chant in Sanskrit, you feel better. You feel better. Everybody who participates will feel better. And if those who listen to this Sanskritam also feel better. Right? Because of the words, the way to utter any Sanskritam word, you have to use your full capacity of your speaking system. This is the tongue, the mouth, the way, you have to use all the nerves. Nervous system is exercised. So, and when you repeat that again and again, then you feel like almost the effect of meditation. It is proven scientifically. Research was done, scanning the brains of Veda Pandits who chant Vedas. It has been, those brain scans showed brains which are calm. Similar to, you will see the brain scans when you do meditation. That much is the effect of. So, by speaking Sanskritam, learning Sanskritam, you feel better physically, mentally, you will be a better person. What more you want? And the Shastra, you also get knowledge. It is like Kamadhenu. पुनः अहं श्लोकं वदामि, सर्वे वदन्तु. भारते संस्कृता भाषा कामधेनुः प्रकीर्तिता जननी विश्वभाषाणां विज्ञानस्योपकारिणी.